Hey guys, here we are. The gloves on. We're under the bridge. We call it. I've been before. We call this. I call this the pot bridge. We used to smoke a lot of geef underneath here. We'd cross country ski across Shady Oak, and we'd stop here before the Lone Lake. We'd smoke our geef on this bridge. So when I was a pot smoker with long hair past my shoulders. So here we are, Shady Oak Lake, in winter time. You can tell people have been walking around today already. I've been up there. That's what I was up there that one time doing a video, and the guy gave me that metal Bible. The ice was not very thick this year to do anything on the lake. Some people ice fish down there. I'm not doing it. So we're going to walk around Shady Oak Park. It's kind of cool. Some of the outlooks. Perfect camera for this. I mean, I could have done it with my GoPro 10 with the microphone, but I don't want to get it wet. It's not worth it. This is, I mean, I could use that, and then I have a clip that it's waterproof, but this one's perfect for it. Working on it, like I said, this is the 5th video, I think, of this. Hope you're enjoying the little adventure on TikTok and also on YouTube. I like it. They can do 10-minute videos. I can put them up on both. So there's a shoreline down there. I did my snorkeling over here last time. I'll probably take this camera with me when I snorkel. I took it in the pool when I was in Arizona. So I have it set in 4K. So it takes longer to upload, but who cares? I mean, it's nice. It's a nice camera, DJI. Did good work. I like this one, so I haven't used I misplaced the 5, but that thing wasn't working. That thing got hot too quick, and the 4 I don't even bother anymore. So mainly it's this one and the 10. Once in a while it's such object, but I still like the old flip. That's classic for small stuff. You want to do something fun. Those are classic cameras. Make a movie with a flip if you want to. Call it the flip movie. This is my other thing, like 92. It used to be a structure, changing area right there, just a structure. But they made it more of a play area for family. You can see. Canoe launch down here. There's no public access for motors, so you don't have any milfoil. But there wasn't a very cold winter this year, so there's gonna be a lot of weeds still. So it is what it is. Kind of sucks, but it's over here. Oh, it's all sticking over here. Coming down, it comes in waves, kind of, not over that bad, but warning. Aeration system. Yeah, they aerate. Used to be 2 bridges, and that, if you can see it over there, the lovely and talented high dive used to be on the other side, and there's another dock where they tore it out. You can tell. Sit out here, summertime. A lot of good fishing out here. A lot of rocks. This one is Kayla Cassie. 1990 to 2021, Mayor of Pumpkin Forever. Stay lit and your candy bag will always stay full. Nice. Very young. That wasn't very old. Mayor Pumpkin Forever, stay lit and your candy bag always stay full. Very young. 1990. I'm someone on a bike here. That's crazy. Nice day for a bike ride in the winter, huh? That's crazy. It's too much work. Not cold enough to ice, but sticking to the trees, man. Although kids will come out in the summertime and jump off the T-dock. Remember with love and laughter, Reverend Douglas Carroll Funnels, October 18, 1936, April 5th. Pay attention, so true. He was born 2 years before World War II kicked in. 1938, that's when the Hitler decided to do his BS. They just stormed those beaches later on, October 4. Let's break the virgin snow, shall we? Put that up about, I don't know, 20 years ago. You used to be able to walk across there. But yeah, reel in your reel, tangle free, but you know, it's March 24th, you guys. We're getting snow. We've had an easy ass winter. So walk across. My favorite an NHLer owns that house right there. My favorite house on the lake. I always said when I was younger, when it was empty, I would have loved to live on that over there. They tore the hill out, but it used to be a place on the other side over there. This was a train trestle that would take the ice from Shady Oak, and they would, I don't know, do something with it, but you kind of see it starting to come out a little harder now, but someone's walking their dog. So you see people have been out hanging out. What do you guys think, huh? They say Minnesota's not beautiful. Take some more pictures of this behavior. Birds. The guy's got his dog. So quack, quack, quack. Nice day for a walk in the wintertime, huh? Nice day for a walk, huh? Nice day for a walk, huh?
Oh, yeah. Every day's a nice day for the dog.
Absolutely.